Oh, island in the sun, built to me by my father's hand, all my days I will sing in praise of your forest waters, your shining sun.